In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix EA app not launching games in Windows. If the EA app won't launch your games, or if the EA app itself refuses to open, there are several troubleshooting methods you can try to resolve the problem. In this guide, I'll walk you through each step carefully. Follow along from beginning to end, as one of these methods may help get your games running normally again. To start, completely close the EA app if it's currently open. Next, locate the EA app shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click the shortcut and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, then make sure the option to run the program as an administrator is enabled. Click Apply, followed by OK, and then try opening the EA app again to see if the issue has been resolved. If the problem continues, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog. In the box, type the local app data folder path and press Enter. Once the folder opens, scroll until you find the Electronic Arts folder. Right-click it and choose Delete. If Windows tells you that the folder is currently in use, the EA app is likely still running in the background. Close it completely by exiting the app from the taskbar. Then try deleting the folder again. Also locate the EA Launcher helper files if they're present and remove them as well. After that, launch the EA app again and check if your games start correctly. If you're still experiencing the same issue, verify that your computer's date and time are configured correctly. Right-click the clock in the lower right corner of your screen and choose Adjust Date and Time. Make sure the option to set the time automatically is enabled. Then click the Sync Now button to refresh your system time. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes interfere with online services and application authentication. If none of the previous methods solve the issue, you can temporarily test whether Windows Defender Firewall is blocking the EA app. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. Select the option to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Temporarily disable the firewall for both private and public networks, then click OK. After that, launch the EA app again and see if your games open successfully. This step should only be used for testing purposes. If disabling the firewall resolves the issue, remember to turn Windows Defender Firewall back on immediately after you're finished. Keeping your firewall enabled is important for protecting your computer while you're connected to the internet. By following these troubleshooting methods one at a time, you'll have the best chance of identifying what's preventing the EA app from launching your games on Windows. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,